not being cocky, but if I can't repair it, nobody can.
Boom.
So I need to be replaced.
Yeah.
Because I repair like all day long.
All right, that's not coming off. Yeah, that's all you do, bro.
I have a ratchet set.
Big ones?
Yeah, I have the whole set.
Well, let's grab those to install. That'll be good.
Open it up and just tell me what you need.
Yeah, it'll be nice for the install. To take this apart, it's easy to do it this way, but to tighten them, it's good to have the socket.
Well, I don't know how big these are. Shit, probably not that big.
What?
Yeah, no way. No, too small.
Yeah, I kind of thought.
Shit.
It's all good, brother. We're gonna prevail.
Easy peasy.
Pretty much. Just a couple bolts.
Funny thing is, replacement's easier than repair.
Yeah.